Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from Tinku Foodies. If you love brownies, here's a quick fix you can make without baking. These healthy no-bake brownies are rich, fudgy, sweetened with dates, no flour, no oven needed. Made with almonds, walnuts and cocoa powder, they make for that perfect healthy treat to satisfy your chocolate craving. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and let's get started. Into a food processor or blender, add 1/4 cup walnuts and 1/4 cup almonds. Give them a good blend. Now add 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup dates. I'm using Medjool dates, but any variety of soft tender dates will work as well. 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. Blend well till everything is nicely combined and this mixture turns into a sticky dough. Now we'll transfer the brownie mixture into a parchment paper lined square pan. And using a spoon or a spatula, press it down evenly and firmly. Now we'll top it up with some chopped walnuts. And using a spoon, press them as well into this brownie mixture. We'll keep this in the fridge for an hour or till it's completely set. And our no-bake brownies are ready. We'll cut this into squares and enjoy these easy, healthy and delicious brownies.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So the next time you're craving for some brownies, or maybe even now, do give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, the written recipe is in the description below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.